Ladies and gentlemen, Bailey's Pudding Pops. Do you love Bailey's? Do you love pudding? Do you love pops? Put them all together. Milk. Chocolate pudding mix. Get that in there. Dude, Pyrex, we need a sponsorship from you guys, because y'all keep popping up. Blend, 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 blend. Cool. Come behind that with some Bailey's. Pour that bad boy in. Blend, 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 blend. Come behind that with some whipped topping. Gotta get the whipped topping in. Blend, 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 blend. Okay, now we pour that mix into our popsicle thing, our popsicle mold. Look at that. It's really cool. And then we put a top on, and now we stick some popsicle sticks in, and we're off to the races. Beautiful. Okay, awesome. Take them out. Good to go. Good to go. Now you know I so round, okay, from eating stuff like this.